Did you know your brand new dream home could come up unexpected repair costs? Don't let the surprise ruin the excitement of moving in. I'm here to share you how home warranty on your construction loan can save you money and give you the peace of mind. So stick around because this could be the key to protecting your biggest investment. If you know who I am, my name is Deepo Phillips, your different real estate agent. If you're a buyer, seller, investor, have any questions what's going on in the real estate market, please make sure you leave a comment below in this video. Brand new to my channel, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're returning, welcome back. And before you run away, please make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna be posting weekly content about new construction and what's happening in the Denver real estate market. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be in front of new videos every week. So what's the definition of a home warranty? So home warranties in new construction is a service agreement that covers the repair or replacement of specific components of a newly built home, such as structural elements, systems, and appliances. So different builders have different coverage periods when it comes to home warranty. Whatever home that you buy from the builder, make sure you check the home warranty plan and make sure it covers what it says, And so like typically like a 1-year warranty, like it covers like workmanship and materials. Then you have a 2-year coverage which covers like systems like plumbing, electrical, HVAC. Then also you have a 10-year protection plan which is for like major structural defects, and like the coverage timelines could be depending on the builder and warranty provider. So it's very, very important for you to look at what their builder is providing and see the different home warranty plans so you can make sure you're covered so you're not spending tens of thousands of dollars to fix that issue when it occurs. So some lenders will require you to get a home warranty to mitigate the risk because you are spending hundreds of thousands of dollars purchasing this home. So they want to make sure that you are covered because if any major thing happens, they want to make sure you're covered because you're spending lots of money. They are giving you a loan to purchase this home, and they want to make sure that, yes, you could pay the bank, the loan amount that they gave you, but also make sure that you're covered so you're not underwater. So what is covered in a home warranty? So you have the structure, like the foundation, roof, walls, and the bearing components. Then systems, the HVAC, you have like the heating, the cooling, the plumbing, electrical systems, stuff in the house. Also appliances, like the built-in kitchen appliances or any systems that's included in the home build. And this is, as I said, very important for you to make sure that you are looking manual or whatever contracts that you get from the builder to make sure what things are covered purchasing this new home to make sure that you are covered throughout the property. All right, so what is not covered in a home warranty? Usually the general wear and tear property, maintenance related issues, or damage caused by improper use. You can't throw a party and destroy your home or something burns because that's not covered. And as I said, like also things that are not included in your home warranty could be like the fences, whatever landscaping that you do, or optional upgrade. So the only thing that's covered in a home warranty for new construction are things that you bought from the builder and things that came into the home. Anything outside that you add or any things that you do outside the property is not covered. So home warranty, it's an option for you to get the home warranty with the property, or you could find a third party that could home warranty your new construction home. And for you, I think the best way is for you to, get a home warranty through the builder because they are the one who built the home and you have a purchase agreement for this new construction home. And by you working with that builder that built the home, they know how things and what's under warranty. But you could work with a third party as well to get a home warranty. When you work with a third party, there are some things that they said they might cover. At the end of the day, buying a new construction home, it's best to just get a home warranty with the builder that you work with. So builders are responsible to fix things in the property covered under the warranty. Like if it's under the warranty and it's the time frame that things fix, they are very, very responsible to fix it. Because it said, you got clear documentation of repair requests, and also like, it helps, to ensure timely resolutions. So anything like the roof, HVAC, let's say some appliances or anything, they're responsible, So like if they're not covering the things that they said it needs to be fixed, speak to attorney or to make sure that they are liable for fixing things because they built your home, you pay for the home warranty, they're entitled to fix it. Then as I said, then you could seek legal actions to find them to fix it. But make sure when you get a home warranty that they are covering all the things that they said that needs to be fixed. So when you get a loan approval through your new construction home, so what lenders do is like they view home warranties as a way to reduce risk with a new construction. And it just makes the approval process a lot smoother because you buy a home, pick everything you want in a home, you get a home warranty. Then you're using a lender, and when you use a lender, sometimes they could tie the home warranty that you're purchasing. If you're working with a lender, an in-house lender, they could roll that thing into the whole purchase of the home and just makes everything smoother and they get headache. Because if you're working with a third party and then you have your home warranty, then you purchasing home warranty separate and you're paying that. But if you work with everything in the house, there's like little perks that they could do. Like, all right, you're working with us, you're getting a loan. Also, you want the home warranty. Let's find a way to tie both in a loan to make your payments a lot easier. So my advice for buyers is make sure that always review the home warranty terms, understand what's covered in the home warranty and excluded. And my best advice for you as well is like work with a real estate professional. Because a real estate professional could like sit down with you, and you could talk and go over all the details and make sure that the home warranty makes sense. Because you don't want to be put in a situation and you thought that this was covered under home warranty and it's not, and you're spending tens of thousands of dollars and you're frustrated. So my advice for you buyers is like when you buy a new construction home, make sure you have representation, real estate agent. The real estate agent will know what's going on in the market because the salespeople in the office has builder's best interest, but they might not have your best interest. But you have representation, like a real estate agent. They could go over things, go over contracts, go over the warranty, and make sure we're all on the same. So now you have understand the whole process of the home warranty. If you have any questions about home warranty or if questions about buying a new construction home, please comment below this video or also just shoot me an email and I'd be glad to sit down on the process. If you're a person moving to Denver, relocating to Denver, have any other questions what's going on in the Denver real estate market, leave a comment below. And if you know anyone who's in a new construction market and think they could benefit from this video, please share this video. And before you run away, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And guess what, guys? I'll see you soon.